Hello, ladies and gentle honks, and welcome to the final day of Drawmas. Yes. It is the 6th of the year of the month of our Lord. Wait, no. Fuck. The 6th of the first month of our Lord, of the 2021st year of our Lord. Really should get a better script. Fuck. It has also happened to be the day in which that this goose gets a fucking year older. Somehow, 365 days of the year I'm the same age, but then one day of the year I get older. It fucking feels terrible. Literally, I can feel the wrinkles going on my face as it stands, and it feels bad, man! Where is the Monka S? Where? Post! The Monka S's! Sympathize with the goose! Nah, it's fine, I don't need your sympathy. However, I'm going to do my new profile picture, therefore, which is gonna probably be for like the entire month. Or until I get bored. So, edit, undo, first of all. So, we need to do this first. Actually, no, wait. There we go. It's going to be a happy birthday goose. A happy birthday goose. A happy goose. And, this goose. Well, this is goose. Because it is the birthday goose. The birthday goose is going to be popping their head up from literally a pile of treasure. Lock here. Ah, shit. A lockbox here. Some like bars of gold bullion. Because it is stolen them, and also like say here, just a bell, Bing. And we'll put. If I can draw this. No, I really cannot at this kind of size. Trying to draw a PS5 if you didn't see. Ah, shit. I'll have to remember that note the coloration stage of that is a PS5. It's stolen PS5. If you've had your parcel of your PS5 stolen by UPS, it was probably a goose. If you didn't already know, it was probably a goose. More coinage, more coinage, more coinage, more coinage. Coinage. What else could we have? Let's say a wad of like money. Reduce it down to like a 1. Just do. There we go. Like a wad of money. Back to the 3. And like. So we'll have like say coin. Like have like sword. Just draw some like coins or like some circular things and construe as coins around them. There we go. Also draw like something like this, so like a goblet. Like that. There, get more coins, more coinage. Coin, more coin, coin. A diamond is going to go here. Coin, 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 coin. I realize I've made a very difficult job for myself given the amount of treasure I'm going to have to create for the goose. Coinage, coinage. I want like a big object here too. There's a bell. Actually, we have like a bag. Let's say $sign on it. There we go. I think that'll be enough just to give the essence of what I'm getting at. Need an orange beak. There we go, orange beak. A nice blue hat. Nice party hat. Actually needs to be like more like that. Yes. And a nice like yellow party hat bob. I'm going like the Vault Tech kind of. So they've stolen a if I can draw actually it's kind of like a circle with this and then there we go. So they've stolen a Vault Tech party hat. Obviously. Why would they get a hat of their own when the goose can take whatever they want? Why would they purchase or barter when they can steal? And the gold coins, we'll do the coins next. Ah, my eyeballs! Oh god, my eyeballs again! Oh fuck, it's part of the sword, isn't it? Oh, beans, no. Nope, wait. Nope, wrong one. So beans, lots of beans, lots of beans, lots of beans, so beans, lots of beans, lots of beans, hey, hey. Everybody loves magical Trev. Fuck. Cause the tricks that he does are ever so clever. Look at him now, disappearing the cow. Where is the cow? Hidden fuck. Right now. Actually, what I could do is I could select by color, select the black, and then select invert. And then what I could do is I could just thinking about why is it undo? Why is it doing that? Select by color, black, select invert. There we go. That makes it a lot easier to do this. I could just like fill in this whole fucking thing here. That was the water money, wasn't it? So that's this bit. Those are bars. I'm going to have them be a different thing there, not gold, because there's plenty of gold here. Bell is obviously gold, though. A golden bell. So it's like a thing. Alright, next up we want to swap over probably for a different color, so and more like silver. So we have these like these silver bars. And to change over a couple of these like coin looking objects to be silver. Or platinum, as some might say. Have this like bit be like that color, like a gunmetal, like an odd looking spook. And then have, oh yeah, and there's that gem as well, which is like a ruby. We'll have like a blue to indicate this being, say this object being here a sapphire. Also have kind of like a crystal goblet with like say an crusted with an emerald. A couple of small rubies. I'll need to change the opacity of that. Sorry, the size of that. There we go. Yeah. Next we will need like an icy kind of blue for the diamond. And then say like a mid-green. For the money. For the money. For the Benjamins. And like that for this bit. And then we kind of want this color for the little money sack. Okay, can you do your thing, please? Thank you. Just color in this section. And then we'll need like a wooden brown for these sections for the chest. I'm thinking like a woodenish, brownish, reddish brown. I can find one. That would be nice for the locks, lock-in like systems. We'll also need white and kind of blackish, and we're going to go with that blue very carefully. Where is it? Like here? There we go. There's your PS4. There's PS5. It has been stolen. It's a very big goose. Or a very small PS5, but there you go. Select none. I think I've got everything I desire in this. Anyway, there we go. That's the thing done. The goose is overlooking their little pile of treasure. Goose dragon, I guess. A dragoose, if you will. It has stolen so much treasure. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Comment down below what your hopes for this year are going to be. Your New Year's resolutions, whatever. Should have asked that in the first. Oh well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next art video. Don't expect them to be every day from now on, but they will be there. And in terms of Drawmas, I'll see you guys next year. Bye-bye for now.